Many believers ask,
If we are sons like Jesus, why don't we walk in signs and wonders?
here's the uncomfortable truth. It's not because God stopped moving.
It's not because power passed away.
It's not because we are not sons.
It's because sonship is known, but not yielded to. Jesus didn't walk in power just because he was the Son. He walked in power because he was submitted, led, and dependent.
The Son can do nothing of himself.
We celebrate identity, but avoid intimacy. We confess inheritance, but resist obedience. We want authority, but reject surrender.
Power does not flow from titles.
Power flows from fellowship with the Spirit. The early church didn't pray for power endlessly. They yielded, and power followed. Miracles are not rewards for maturity. The tragedy of the modern church is not lack of truth. It is lack of yielded sons. Then God is not looking for perfect people.
He is looking for available sons.
Not loud.
Not famous.
Not impressive.
Sons who listen.
Livers of feather, sons who obey.
Sons who walk with the Spirit. The supernatural was never meant to be rare. It was meant to be normal.